Hi, this is Alex from ThirdEye Gen. Today, I will be teaching you how to sign up for our RespondEye platform, while also showing you how to use various tools within the software. How to sign up and make an account. Please note that there are two different kinds of RespondEye accounts, one for the doctor and one for the paramedic. To make an account as either a doctor or paramedic on our RespondEye platform, you will contact our team by reaching out to support@thirdeyegen.com. For a paramedic to log in to his or her account, please open the RespondEye application on your device and enter your login credentials. Paramedics can also log into the platform by clicking on Scan QR Code and by scanning a QR code provided by their account admin. How to operate RespondEye when logged in as a paramedic. Now that you are on the paramedic login on the RespondEye platform, you can call a doctor that is on duty by clicking on the video icon that has a plus sign in it. This will initiate a live telehealth call through the RespondEye platform. Paramedics can also click on the pinpoint icon next to the video button to show the location of where the EMT is in the field. The next functionality that paramedics can use under the RespondEye platform is the en route button. This button allows the doctors back in the hospital to see the location of the ambulance on its way back to the emergency department and the approximate ETA of the paramedics who are with the patient. Under the en route options button, paramedics can view their route to the hospital or cancel their trip route. The My Profile button shows the EMT's first and last name, email address, as well as their phone number. Finally, the last button on the bottom right of the RespondEye platform is the Logout button, where EMTs can log out of the system when they are all done using the application. Thank you for using RespondEye, and if you have any additional questions and to sign up for a RespondEye account, please reach out to our team at support@thirdeyegen.com.